Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are struggling with your Oculus Quest 2 because the left or right controller isn't connecting, you're in the right place. Let's go through some steps to get your controllers working again. First, let's try restarting your Oculus Quest 2. Press and hold the power button on the headset until the power off screen appears. Then, select Restart. This can often resolve minor connection issues. Now, if restarting didn't help, try replacing the batteries in your controllers. Make sure to use fresh, high-quality batteries as low battery levels can cause connection problems. Next, go to the Oculus app on your phone, open the settings, and select your headset. Choose the controllers option and then click on Pair New Controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to repair the controllers. If all else fails, you may need to perform a factory reset on your Oculus Quest 2. Please note that this will erase all data on your headset, so make sure to back up any important information first. So to reset, hold the power and volume down buttons until the boot menu appears. Then select Factory Reset. And that is how you fix Oculus Quest 2 controller connection issues. We hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.